Hi there, it's Cheryl from Cheryl Sheridan Wellness, and I am here with this series on life balance 20 tips in 20 days. Today is tip number 2, and I'm talking about the balance wheel. There are 12 categories, 12 areas of this circle of life to achieve balance in. Now, some areas we're going to be totally fine in, and other areas we need to work on. When I first did this exercise 2 or 5 years ago, there were 2 areas where I was completely fine in, and the rest of the 10, I really needed to work on. But that can be overwhelming, and it can look overwhelming. But what you do is you go through, and I've put it below, look at all 12 areas, rate yourself from 1 to 10, 1 being not very satisfied with where you are, 10 being extremely satisfied. If you have anything under a 5, then it needs to be worked on. Now, again, I had 10 under a 5 that I needed to work on. So I needed to go back to what we did yesterday, look at my vision for my life, my family's life, and then I needed to list my priorities. What are my priorities? Then I was able to figure out which ones to work on first. So, first, go below, rate yourself, figure out what those are, and then tomorrow we'll learn how to set goals and and find which ones you should be working on first related to what you did on yesterday's day 1, tip number 1. So we'll see you tomorrow and we'll start setting those goals.